Hey, what's going on? Today's video is going to be a recap of how I was able to install this Momo Mod 69 steering wheel in the Impreza Coupe. So without further ado, let's get upstairs, go out to the garage, and we can get started. Alright, so now that we have the installation completed, I've drove with the car for about a week with the new steering wheel on, and I have to say that it is definitely a night and day difference when you do this modification to your car. There are definitely pros and cons to what's going on, but the biggest con would probably be that you do lose the driver's side airbag. So now that I've done this modification, I need to get harnesses just to better protect myself, and I would advise that you guys do the same if you do go with the quick release setup. So all in all, this modification took me getting 4 parts. The first one is the short hub adapter that's supplied by NRG, then the NRG quick release that bolts to that hub adapter, and then the actual steering wheel. And then aside from those 3, I did go ahead and get the NRG short hub lock. That way, when I pop my steering wheel and head inside for the night, I can throw that hub lock on it, and no one with the aftermarket steering wheel could come up to my car, hook their steering wheel up, and then drive off. It's just an added anti-theft protection thing that I wanted to do for peace of mind. But if you guys are interested in picking up these parts and doing this modification to your GC8, all the parts are linked in the description below. So that's going to be it for today. So if you guys have any comments or any tips, be sure to leave them down below. But yeah, that's a wrap.